How much can you really make from Webnovel website? A lot of people have been asking this question. How much can I make? Can I make money fast as a beginner? Is this particular website legit? Can I make money writing daily? I'm going to be breaking down how much you can actually make in this particular video. I'm taking you through 3 different websites, and we are going to see how much they pay on different websites.
So the first on my list is Letterlux. Go to your Chrome browser as usual. Type in Letterlux writer benefit. You're going to click on the very first link, and it's going to take you to this particular page. One thing I love about Letterlux is that Letterlux is going to promote your work on different platforms. You get to earn more money. Now let's go to why we are here exactly. How much can you earn as a beginner when you get a contract on Letterlux? As you can see on the screen right now, we are going to earn money from revenue split, which is 50-50. You and the company, you are going to get 50-50%. Golden query reward. Your signing bonus for exclusive contract is $100. Your daily updates, you are going to get reward for that as well. And your completion bonus, you are going to get reward for that as well. Your completion bonus is usually around like $150, $200 to $450. For non-exclusive contracts, you are going to be getting revenue split. No signing bonus, no daily updates bonus, but you're going to be getting completion bonus. Your revenue source comes from paid chapters unlock, ad revenue, adaptation royalty. That is when reader paid to unlock additional chapters, you are going to get paid, and you and the company are going to divide the money into 50-50. Ad revenue, when they display ad on your book, you are going to get paid. Then adaptation royalty, if your book is adapted into more film, TV shorts, you are also going to get paid. So that is how they generate revenue for your book. Okay, let's go down and see how many word counts do you need to write to be able to earn a certain amount of money on Letterlux. Before they credit you $100, your new signed book should at least reach 30k word. It could be 30 chapter if each of your chapter is 1,000 word, and it could be 25 chapter. All your word counts should at least be 30k word. Now let's move to the next one, which is daily updates reward. So for daily updates reward, you have to be updating your book at least one chapter of at least 1,000 words. Most writers actually finish their book in less than 3 months, 2 months, their whole book in less than 2 months, 3 months. And if you're using ChatGPT, this should not be that hard for you. If you want to know how to use ChatGPT, it's not actually free. Okay, it's not free. So you want to learn how you can actually use ChatGPT, you get linked to AE so that your contract can be fast tracked, and you get to know every details, and now you can actually write your story well in word details so that you can actually get contract faster. You can always DM me through the link in my bio. Okay, now let's move to the next website, and let me show you how much you can earn from that particular website too. The next on my list is story writing. Story writing is also one of the popular websites where you can submit your story as well. You also need 5,000 words to apply for a contract, but if you're writing like 200 words, your book can be published on Starry. People started noticing your book, readers are reading your book. But before you can apply for a contract, you need 5,000 words. Now the re-earning, you're going to be getting $50 when you sign a new bonus, then $100 for daily update bonus. You're going to get $150 to $500. It depends on the word count of your book. You earn when your story is finished and reach a certain word count. Okay, it depends on the word count of your book. It will determine how much you're going to earn within the range of $150 to $500. And there are also other benefits on story writing. You can go and check each platform that I've mentioned and check it out yourself. Make your own research as well. As I've always say, make your own research. Now let's go to the next one, which is Goodnovel, one of my bests as well. So the next on my list is Goodnovel. Once you type in Goodnovel your Chrome browser, click on the very first link, you're going to click on that 3 icon, like the hyphen icon on the top corner of that particular website. It's going to bring you here, which says writers. You're going to click on writers benefits, and it's going to bring you here. Now we need 5,000 words to apply for a contract on Goodnovel. So for your exclusive contract on Goodnovel, you're going to be getting signing bonus, completion bonus, monthly attendance bonus, standing out bonus. For non-exclusive, you're only going to be getting $50 signing bonus and then your completion bonus. So for your monthly attendance bonus or for exclusive contracts, so you're going to be getting $150 on their particular platform. You're going to be getting $150. Then for your standing out bonus, your completion bonus, it depends on the word count of your book. Log into the website and check out, read their details, check out how much you're going to be making as well. Make your own research, do your research as well, so you can know this is legit. You just have to put in the work, and you don't know how to do any of this. You don't even know where to go about it, or how to even write a good, well composed story, your outline, your book cover. You have to get a guide. If you don't have a guide, because I actually do get the same guide when I started as well, so I don't just say I want to go and start without even knowing anything about it, so that you avoid rejection the pain. Anyways, that's all I have to say. And once again, do your own research as well before you upload your story on this particular platform. Read and understand their guidelines and how much they pay, so you understand how much you're going to be getting at the end of your story. I hope this is helpful. If you have any other question, let me know in the comment section. All right guys, see you in the next one.